Tuesday. Kaya hindi ako makakakuha ng free food. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna buy flour and baking pan so I can make a apple pie. No, it's not an apple pie. There's a called like it's an apple and then a flour and then you put some baking soda and flour into the apple because I had an apple in. I'm not gonna be able to finish it.